Welcome to Illinois Off-Road Rentals. I am Willow's dad, and I teach motocross lessons for a living. We teach ages 5 and up how to ride a dirt bike. Willow has been riding her whole life, and is currently hard at work teaching her sister Sadie how to ride so that she can be our next instructor. When riding, sometimes it is about being the fastest, sometimes you are racing against yourself trying to do the best you can to get through a corner or over a jump. Sometimes it's about riding with your friends. Sometimes it's about having fun with your family. Sometimes it's about exploring. Sometimes it's about the need for speed. But it's always about having fun.